In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Xero error code 500. If you've encountered this error, you know it can often disrupt your workflow. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot it step by step. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to head to the top right corner of your web browser. This is where you'll typically find the browser menu, usually represented by 3 dots or lines. Click on this icon to bring up a drop-down menu with several different options. Next, you'll want to click on the 3 dots. This action will open up a menu where you can access various browser settings and tools. From here, you're going to want to select History. This is where your browser keeps track of all the websites you've visited and the data you've accumulated while browsing. Once you're in the History section, look for the option that says Delete Browsing Data. This step is crucial because sometimes your browser stores outdated or corrupted data that might be causing the Xero error to occur. Click on Delete Browsing Data to move forward. Now you should see settings for deleting various types of browsing data. You'll want to set the time range to all time. This ensures that any and all cached data, cookies, and browsing history that might be contributing to the issue are completely removed. It's a comprehensive approach to ensuring no stone is left unturned in addressing the problem. After you've set the time range, click on Delete Data. This process might take a moment or two, depending on the amount of data your browser has accumulated. Be patient as your browser clears out all the stored information. Once the data deletion process is complete, you'll need to log back into Xero. Re-access your account and see if the error persists. This step is all about ensuring the clean slate you've created by clearing your browser's data works to resolve the issue. If you find that the problem still lingers even after taking these steps, another solution is to try accessing Xero from a different browser or even a different device. Sometimes particular browsers or devices can have specific settings or conflicts causing the error, so trying an alternative can help to determine if the issue is browser related. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll often find that the Xero error code 500 disappears, allowing you to get back to your tasks with minimal disruption. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to share this video with anyone else who might find it useful. If you have any further questions or run into other issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.